Yeah, we had plenty of problems and challenges out in this area before we had the artificial grass installed. It was cold, it was wet, it was mouldy, and it was pretty uninviting. It was kind of depressing to look out here, to have such a great area that we didn't get any use out of. You know, to have what we have now, you know, the girls are out here with gymnastics and silks and rings and trampolines and gymnastics mats, and it's much more inviting to have some dinner out here, a beer or a wine.
It's at our front door, and first impressions are what it's all about. I really liked the idea of the artificial turf because it brightens up our house. The house is white and it needed a bit more character. The artificial lawn is perfect. It's beautiful, it's lush, it's soft, the kids play on it all the time. We actually make excuses to come out here now instead of avoiding the area. Yeah,
it's a great alternative to natural lawn. You know, everyone's busy these days and time poor and wants to minimise their maintenance of their home, and it's certainly what this area, that's what it's done for us. When we had terracotta tiles that were mouldy, getting the old high pressure hose out for a couple of hours at a time, it wasn't on the priority list, so much easier to clean, rake the leaves up, blow them off, happy days. Anytime you're looking to upgrade your house in any way or engage a supplier, is you want to be able to trust them and you want the quality finish. I think that's what we've got here, and that's why we're happy to recommend Australian Outdoor Living.
We just love it, don't we? We couldn't be happier.